Hey guys, so y'all can't even see me, but it is 6:02. Let me go look at my sister. But today, I will be getting my car today. Oh, I'm gonna vlog the process with her. I can't show my baby, but yeah. Oh, the summer's good today. We're about to go inside. We are leaving the bank. And we got the money. Ma, tell them we got the money.
I got the money.
Now we are on our way to the Honda place. We came back from my bank, we got the checks, and yeah. Hey guys, so we're still here at Honda. I came at 1 and it's about to be 4 and we're still here. And he's just getting the insurance before we really start anything, because I feel like, I guess as though if we don't really have insurance they can't do anything, but we do have insurance. So it's the company that's mixing up the last names, so it's like, bro, and they want it to be like on spot, like they don't want nothing to be wrong because it won't go through at the end, so that's why he's fixing it before. But it's a whole lot of that I don't have time for, because I do have class in an hour and 45 minutes, so I don't know, because if we could be here for 3 hours just for insurance, how long are we going to be here for the best? So I just came to the car to finish my sandwich or whatever, but yeah, and I couldn't charge my phone because your girl was on 8%. But yeah, this process is very long. Like I'm telling y'all, if y'all come to the dealer, if y'all come to the dealer, bring a whole breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because y'all gonna be here all day. Like I think I'm gonna take class on my phone, so that's fine. But I'm just happy. I can't wait to show y'all the car. You know the vibe. It is now 8 o'clock and we have now left the dealer, and I still don't have my car because they didn't leave it. So I need to leave it for 2 days. But that is everything. So today I'm just gonna be showing you guys me installing this. So it's basically the car lights. you know, I got a new car, so I purchased everything that I seen on YouTube that people was posting and stuff like that. So in this box, it comes with mini, they're not mini nails or whatever. This, some zip ties. It comes with the lights, obviously, and then the manuals at the bottom. So one thing that I know that I'm going to like is that I can use this from my phone, so I don't have to be here pushing a button, you know. Okay, so after installing the lights, I went ahead and I downloaded the app. So that's the Govee Home app. It's, I guess, Govee. And this allows me to control the lights through my iPhone. I'm pretty sure they have it for Android, but you guys can search that up. Okay, so in the manual, it's going to give you your numbers and letters to type in so that you could add your own device. So here I'm just adding my device to connect to. Okay, so now that my device was found, I customized it to my first name. And yeah. As you can see, you can play with the brightness, you can change the mode, you can either put it to music, color, or scene. You have different colors that you can choose from. Yeah, it's all right here on the app.